Hey everybody, it's Chase with American Vintage Adventures again, and today we are here at HHN, and I'm going to take you through the tribute store. We're going to do a quick look around, and I hope you enjoy it. I know you've seen it a lot, but if you haven't seen it with me, come on, let's go on a tribute store adventure. I got you. Let's go do this.
There is nothing wrong with your television set. Do not attempt to adjust the picture. We are controlling transmission. We can change the focus to a soft blur or sharpen it to crystal clarity. For the next hour, sit quietly and we will control all that you see and hear. We repeat, there is nothing wrong with your television set. You are about to participate in a great adventure.
We're just going to have a look around the tribute store. Of course, there is a story that carries on all across the top in these comic panels. If you've got time, you can sit and read these and you get the whole story. The Scare Zone shirts, I have that one. The Dr. Oddfellow shirt. Now, I saw a lot of videos, probably like a lot of you, on the tribute store, and nobody ever showed that the front of this cool Oddfellows poster shirt had Jack on it. So I'm going to give you a closer look because I bought it because it's awesome. So this is what's on the front. So there you got Jack and Dr. Oddfellow's Traveling Oddities, Halloween Horror Nights, and this poster is what's on the back. And it is super cool. How many times do we got to do this before you stop being a baby about it? Grave robbers. Grave robbers. Never go alone. Lots of merch. This looks like the gravestone in one of my logos for my horror film company, Spirit World Productions. I really like this one of the few shirts I haven't gotten yet. This is the 5 Original House shirt. There's the 5 IP shirt. It's Humblers. Got one willing grave robber and one being coerced because he doesn't understand why they got to keep coming and taking their stuff.
That's what I was saying. Yeah, there's
A little boo.
Yeah, it's not gonna fit. That's so weird that we have every size except 14 Pro. Yeah, I'm really sorry about that. Yeah, no problem. Would the fitted you with it?
These two fellas don't look too happy with these two fellas. Time to head in a very horror noir New York City. I absolutely love this 2D black and white look. Schuster Brothers.
it like it's soft. It's a nice cut. Over papers, just the that one. Sounds like it's
This effect is awesome. This rain effect.
just people plastic.
Finnegan's.
Yeah.
Schuster Brothers. Private investigating. Very, very noir. I did a little film noir short a while back, a film fatale style, for a film race competition. A little short film. It was a whole lot of fun. Their Last of Us merch. Very cool. Some devil masks.
Yeah. He's definitely finding his own style.
With these creatures all over the place, I don't blame anybody for staying indoors. You can make yourself a little plastic bride of Frankenstein.
Kind of sway of the post. So cute, no evils. Yeah, no, the only poster that I think I have right now is the Beat Up Dragons one, which is about that size, and then we have a bigger Chuck Eagle.
Because that's the only thing I care about.
Right, where is
I really think this 2D black and white film noir comic book shop mixed with horror is super cool vibe. Super cool. And I love the shout out to Finnegan's with the sign hanging out here. But this rain effect is super awesome, and it continues on the floor. Giant Cthulhu type monster there.
It's all still smalls, and that's just, there's one here. I like the rest in the What is it?
Tribute to Terror Hallway. This is where you can pay and have yourself put on the front of a comic. Let's see if we can find anybody that we recognize. Well, there's Kevin Heimbeck.
Just got an hour, you have to be able to put the loose on that.
There's so many, it's hard to find some people we know. I know the Pew 2 have one in here, for sure. Oh, there they are. There's the Pew 2. That one's pretty good.
You go by this pipe at an unspeaking.
I would imagine super enthused. I imagine she has one in here. I don't know if Nate did one or if Molly and Alan did one. There's so many in here. There's so many in here, it's hard to find. I don't know if I'm going to do one yet or not, but it is super cool thing that you can do here and be a part of the tribute. All right, last room. This is where you find all the good stuff for the fat guys. The bakery case. Jim's Diner.
How about a shirt?
Harvard Trading Company. Catholic toast.
The Shucky Whoopie Pie. Chucky Trifle Cake. We got cookies. Your planchette cookies of the Halloween Horror Nights. Little boobs. Buddy Brain Cheesecake. Bat cookie ball. Bat Slayer cake jar. It's pretty cool. Hellfire Fireball.
The macarons.
Oh yeah. And some macarons. Or macarons. Shove the spore. Basically anything to make me larger than I already am. Time to pay up. That's a pretty trippy effect. I'm thinking this guy paid up the hard way. It's like you can make the mummy in here. It's time to go. Wow, this store just keeps going and going and going.
I know you. I'm like, oh my god, he's like this spot. That is too funny.
The Legend of Halloween. There's the Oddfellows shirt again.
Maybe.
This last room is where you check out, and it is really big. The theming in this store is absolutely awesome. It just goes on and on and on. I think we got a shirt for my daughter that we're gonna get, and Risha got a shirt. I've already got a bunch of shirts, but if you need anything, HHN, this is the place to come.
Trey. That's a yes. What?
That's always my thing. I can't watch this. Why? There's that.
It's so much. Just again, good.
It's on that. Yeah. Why this stuff? Yeah.
What is the SDK?
Couch. I got one.
Okay.
Yep. Guys. That. Some of these over here.
You should know. That's your place there.
Trainee.
But that's in line.
All right, adventurers, I hope you've enjoyed this quick little look at the tribute store. I know that you've probably been able to see it a bunch, but I just wanted to give you my look through. I really enjoyed it. It's a really detailed store, and I hope you enjoyed going through it with me. Make sure you check out all my other Halloween Horror Nights content. We have a lot of in-depth videos. This is just a quick little pass-through, and I'm just a big fan. I really love it, and I hope you did too. But until next time, this is Chase with American Vintage Adventures saying have a great AVA day, and I'll see you real soon in the fog. Bye.